Got a hit. There you go, come back for it. There we go. Little rock bass. Reese out here making the rest of us look bad, catching all these big fish. Let's watch this professional. Look at that. Take that thing out here. So let me see the fish here on the camera. There you go. Heck yeah. Take it, take it, take it. Come on. Come on. All right. Little rock bass on the Hellgrammite. The bait's almost as big as he is. Oh man, let me loosen this out a little bit here. Look at that. The bait is as big as the fish. Yeah, I'll probably start moving away. He just wanted to look a little bit. Now he's gonna take all back across that way. Just one that I see at the moment. Throw him out there. If there's a big old smallmouth out there, he'll probably eat it. Watch out, 'cause he's heavy. Won't kill him. Oh, poor Lori. What in the world have I got here?
Wow.
Nice size rock bass. Huh, cast it out right across there and caught him. I was going to say he didn't pull very hard. Most of the time they pull hard. At first, whenever I first latched onto him, I thought it was a darn old smallmouth or something, but nice little rock bass there. Pretty big. Let it go there. Heck yeah, man. Them rock bass, man, they fight like heck. Atta girl, that's a pretty rock bass right there, buddy. That's Big Papa.
That's Big Papa.
Good grief. He took part of your worm here, baby. There's your prize. Check that joker out.
Oh wow.
That's a pretty rock bass.